Service members need banking that understands military life. U.S. Bank delivers. Unexpected fees, deployments, and home buying add stress. Many banks aren't built for it. Here's why U.S. Bank stands out for military personnel in 2026. U.S. Bank waives many fees and offers dedicated military checking and savings. They provide VA loan guidance and staffed on-base branches and specialists. Their mobile app includes secure mobile deposits, pay alerts, and simple international transfers. Priority customer service and tools for PCS moves and deployment planning. Staff Sergeant Maria Lopez. U.S. Bank helped me close my VA loan faster and stress-free. Petty Officer James Reed. An on-base banker walked me through benefits and set up automatic savings. Hundreds of thousands of service members trust U.S. Bank with top satisfaction scores. Access benefits via the mobile app, online, or by speaking with an on-base or virtual specialist. Learn more or contact a military banking specialist at usbank.com/military. Your service deserves banking that serves you.